Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Chrysler Pacifica's AC system. Before starting, always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate eye protection and gloves. You'll need to identify if your AC is blowing warm air or has reduced airflow, which are common signs of low refrigerant. Then, locate the low-pressure service port on your vehicle's AC system, which is where you'll connect your recharge kit. It's crucial to confirm the correct refrigerant type for your Pacifica. Look for a sticker under the hood, usually near the radiator, which specifies if your vehicle uses R134A or the newer R1234 if. Next, find the low-pressure service port. This port is typically on the larger diameter line coming from the AC compressor, often located near the firewall or radiator. With the engine off, firmly attach your AC recharge kit hose to the low-pressure port. Once connected, start your Pacifica and turn the air conditioning to its maximum cold setting with the fan on high. Begin adding the refrigerant by squeezing the trigger on the can, gently oscillating it. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on your kit to avoid overfilling the system. Once the pressure gauge indicates the system is adequately charged, and the AC compressor runs continuously without cycling off, you can disconnect the recharge hose. Remember to securely replace the service port cap to prevent dirt and moisture from entering. Run your Pacifica for several minutes to allow the system to stabilize and confirm cold air is blowing. For more great car care tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.